Luna's Promise, a tale of friendship and courage. In the mystical kingdom of Everglen, where emerald canopies whisper secrets and the air hums with ancient magic, Princess Aurora embarks into the woods on a radiant morning. The sun's rays dance through the leaves, casting ethereal patterns on the forest floor. Amidst this enchanting realm, Princess Aurora's heart beats with curiosity and wonder. Suddenly, her journey takes an unexpected turn. As she stumbles upon a scene both mesmerizing and poignant, a wounded white tiger, its majestic form marred by injury, its eyes mirroring the uncertainty of its plight.
"You're hurt. Let me help you."
Colin growls softly, eyes filled with uncertainty.
"Shh, it's okay. I won't hurt you. We can be friends. Trust me."
First aid scene, Princess Aurora gently examines the tiger's wounds and cleanses them.
"It looks like you have a deep gash here. I'll clean it and bandage it up for you. You'll feel better soon, Luna."
Aurora, I forbid you from spending time with that beast. It's too dangerous.
"But father, Luna isn't just any tiger. She's injured and scared. She needs someone to care for her."
You're risking your life for a wild animal? You must obey my command, Aurora.
"But Luna isn't just a wild animal to me, father. She's my friend, and I won't abandon her when she needs me most."
Later scene with Luna, Princess Aurora brings fresh meat to Luna to help her regain strength.
"See, Luna, I brought you some fresh meat to help you regain your strength."
White Tiger nuzzles Princess Aurora's hand gratefully.
"That's it, Luna. We'll get through this together."
Aurora, I understand your compassion, but you must understand the risks.
"I know, Father, but Luna needs me, and I believe we can help each other."
Very well, Aurora, but promise me you'll be careful.
"I promise, Father. Thank you for understanding."
Climactic scene with Luna.
"Luna, we have to protect the kingdom from this threat. Will you stand with me?"
White Tiger roars fiercely, showing determination.
"Together, Luna, we'll face whatever comes our way."
Climactic scene with Father King.
Aurora, I see now the bond you share with Luna. I was wrong to try to keep you apart.
"Thank you, Father. Luna and I are ready to defend Everglen, together."
I'm proud of you, Aurora. May your friendship with Luna bring peace to our kingdom.
As the sun gracefully descends beyond the horizon, casting hues of gold and crimson over the kingdom of Everglen, Princess Aurora and Luna, the White Tiger, stand as symbols of unwavering friendship. Their bond, forged through compassion and courage, shines brightly amidst the fading light. The kingdom rejoices, their hearts uplifted by the tale of Princess Aurora and Luna, a story of unity and acceptance that transcends boundaries. Aurora's bravery ignites a spark of hope in the hearts of all who hear their tale, inspiring them to embrace the beauty of compassion and the power of friendship. Their legend, woven into the very fabric of Everglen, serves as a beacon of love and unity for generations to come. Join us on our journey through the realms of magic and wonder. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting tales from our kingdom.